In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contractor in QuickBooks Online, along with some helpful tips and tricks to make the process smoother. Let's start right from the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main navigation. To work with contractors, you can get there in one of two ways, depending on how your QuickBooks is set up. The first option is through the Expenses section. Click on Expenses and then choose Contractors. This route is common if you primarily use QuickBooks for tracking spending and vendor payments. The second option is through Payroll. If you're already using Payroll in QuickBooks Online, click Payroll on the left and then select Contractors. Both paths will take you to the same contractor area, so just choose the one that matches how your account is organized. Once you're on the Contractors page, you'll see a list of any contractors you've already added. To add a new one, look for a button that says Add a Contractor and click it. This opens up a form where you'll set up their profile. Here, QuickBooks gives you two ways to handle the contractor's information. The first option is to let the contractor enter their own details. To do that, check the box that says something like, Email this contractor to complete their profile. Then, type in their name and their email address. QuickBooks will send them an email with a secure link, and they can fill out their own tax information, including the details from their W-9. This option is great for saving time and reducing data entry errors because the contractor is responsible for entering their own information. The second option is to fill in all the details yourself. In that case, leave the email box unchecked. Before you do this, make sure you already have a completed W-9 from the contractor, so you can enter their legal name, business name, if applicable, tax ID, and address accurately. Taking a moment to verify everything now will really help you avoid problems later when you're preparing 1099s or reviewing your records, after you've either entered the contractor's details or set it up so they can complete their own profile. You're ready to save. Click Add Contractor. QuickBooks will create the contractor profile, and from this point on, you'll be able to select this contractor when you record payments and track what you pay them